Hey everyone, welcome back to Unlock English Podcast. Today, we're diving into a topic that can literally change your life: the art of effective communication.
That's right. Have you ever wondered why some people are just so good at making others like and trust them? Whether it's in conversations, presentations, or even just casual small talk, some people seem to have a natural gift for it.
But here's the secret: it's not just a talent, it's a skill, and you can learn it.
Exactly. Today, we're going to break down the psychology behind how to speak in a way that makes people like and trust you.
And of course, we'll throw in some fun stories, real life examples, and practical techniques you can start using today.
So let's get started.
Okay, first question: why do we instantly like some people while others just don't click with us?
Great question. A lot of it has to do with how they communicate. Not just the words they use, but their tone, body language, and energy.
There's actually a psychological concept called the halo effect. It's when we see one good trait in a person and assume everything else about them is good too.
Ooh, I love that one. Like, if someone is warm, friendly, and speaks confidently, we automatically think they're also competent, trustworthy, and fun to be around.
Exactly. So if you can master just a few key communication skills, people will naturally be drawn to you.
And that brings us to
If you want people to like and trust you, your communication needs three things: clarity, connection, and charisma.
let's break it down. Have you ever talked to someone who rambles forever and you have no idea what they're trying to say?
Oh, yes, you're nodding, but inside you're like, what is your point?
Exactly. People trust those who communicate clearly. If your message is confusing, people won't remember it. Or worse, they'll lose interest.
So keep it simple. Use short, clear sentences. And pause. Give people time to process what you're saying.
And avoid over explaining. Sometimes, less is more.
All right, second element: connection. People don't care what you say until they feel like you care about them.
So true. If you want people to like and trust you, be genuinely interested in them. Ask questions. Listen actively.
There's actually a study from Harvard that found that when people talk about themselves, their brains release dopamine, the same chemical that makes us feel happy.
So if you let people talk about themselves, they literally feel good around you.
Want someone to like you? Just say, tell me more about that.
Boom, instant connection.
Okay, last element: charisma. That magnetic quality that makes people pay attention when you speak.
A lot of people think charisma is about being extroverted, but actually, it's just about energy.
Right, it's how you deliver your words. If you speak with passion and enthusiasm, people naturally want to listen.
And smiling helps too. Studies show that people who smile while talking are perceived as more friendly, confident, and trustworthy.
So even if you're nervous, smile and fake confidence. Your brain will follow.
All right, let's talk about persuasion. How do you speak in a way that makes people not just like you, but actually trust you?
One of the best persuasion techniques is called mirroring.
Oh, yeah. That's when you subtly copy the other person's body language or way of speaking.
Exactly. It creates an unconscious sense of similarity, which makes people feel more comfortable around you.
It's like when you're talking to someone and they use the same slang as you. You instantly feel like they get you.
Yep. Another powerful technique: the because effect.
Oh, what's that?
A Harvard study found that people are more likely to agree with you if you give them a reason, even if it's a simple one.
So instead of saying, "Can I go ahead of you in line?" say, "Can I go ahead of you in line because I'm running late?"
Exactly. Just adding because makes your request way more persuasive.
All right, time for some quick practical tips that you can start using today.
Yes. Here are 3 easy ways to improve your communication instantly. 1. Slow down and pause. Speaking too fast makes you seem nervous. Pausing makes you seem confident. 2. Use people's names. Dale Carnegie said, "A person's name is the sweetest sound in any language." Using names builds instant connection. 3. End on a high note. People remember the last thing you say the most. So always end conversations on a positive, memorable note.
I love that.
All right, let's wrap this up.
Today, we learned that effective communication is all about clarity, connection, and charisma.
We also learned some powerful persuasion techniques, like mirroring and the because effect.
And we gave you 3 quick ways to instantly improve your speaking skills.
So now it's your turn. Try using these techniques in your next conversation and see what happens.
Thanks for listening to Unlock English Podcast. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and share with a friend.
Until next time, keep communicating with confidence.
Bye, everyone.